Okay, and at this point we are done with compilation steps. So CompuCell is compiled. Message says build succeeded. So we are almost ready to run CompuCell3D, except we have to move all the files necessary to run CompuCell3D from the build directory to the installation directory. So if you look at CMake, the build directory is cc3d demo, compile demo, and the installation directory is cc3d _demo _install. Okay, so we're moving files. So actually CMake or Visual Studio will do that for us because there are plenty of files to move. And to initiate this process, we go to, in Visual Studio, we go to, in Solution Explorer, we go to target called install. Okay, so this is this target, install, capital letters. We right click and we choose build. So when we choose build, what's going to happen is no compilation will take place because everything is compiled by now. The only thing that Visual Studio will do, it will move all the files necessary to run CompuCell3D from build directory to the installation directory, and that's all. And this process is relatively quick, although if you compare it to, for example, Linux or OS X, where copying files is really fast, Windows is extremely slow compared to those two platforms. I mean, any file operations on Windows require a good dose of patience. So I'm not going to pause video. Hopefully it will finish soon. But you can see that copying files is so slow that I can read the file names as they are being copied. Maybe it's Visual Studio, maybe it's Windows, who knows. I think it's a combination of the two. The good news is that when CompuCell is compiled, it runs pretty fast on Windows too. So there are no significant differences between performance of CompuCell on Windows and Linux. Okay, so we're done. All the files have been copied, and as you can see, they've been copied to C / or / whatever cc3d _demo _install. Okay, so now if you want to run CompuCell3D, you can go to Start menu and open terminal, Windows terminal, or command cmd.exe file. So it's here. I click it. Now I go to cd, so I type cd C drive : /. Remember, we are in Windows terminal, so we have to use / to specify a file path. /cc3d, and if I hit tab, the Windows terminal will autocomplete, but it's not the directory we want. We want cc3d demo install. Yes, so that's where we go. Okay, and to open up CompuCell3D, we just simply type CompuCell3D. Okay, and I hit enter, and voila, my CompuCell3D is installed, and we installed it completely from scratch, from sources. So we built CompuCell, we compiled sources, and we used the dependencies that were provided on source function. So to show you that it actually runs, I'm gonna open some simulation. I don't know which simulation I could open up. Let's say I will go to demos, models, cell sort. That's the simulation that everybody opens up when they run CompuCell3D, and as you can see, it runs fine. Okay, so this is the end of this video, and I will follow up with installation instructions for Linux. Okay, so see you in the next update.